Hi everyone. I believe our clinic will be your most trusted and choice if you are looking for hair transplant. Here at our clinic, we have introduced the latest technology and protocol for hair restoration. It is called the Hair Transplant Malaysia Regenerative, where we introduce hyperbaric oxygen just the very next day after you have done your hair restoration. We also have introduced mechanical stem cell treatment during the procedure of hair transplant, where we call it special care graft by graft. And the next one, we have upgraded the PRP, the special activated PRP by G cells, and a little bit more extra which you'll know as time goes by. So do drop by at our clinic and have a consultation with our doctors. The sooner the better. See you at our clinic.